Ciao picciotti!
Ciao picciotte e picciotti, caruse e carusi!
How are you guys?
Happy to see you again!
So guys, now we talk about something special for us because it's a long time that I spent a lot of time with my vegetable garden, and finally I can have the result of my efforts. So the first result. Actually, yesterday I enjoyed something, but step by step. So Rosella, I switch and you talk about our surprise.
But you have to collect Gianca, not me, because it's your garden.
But say something about my vegetables. So, for example,
I think that they are growing up, not so bad. Look at this, for example, is big. You can see in my hand.
a big tomato, Corleone tomato.
But also we have the ciliegino.
Ciao. He's Ginepro, another one member of our family.
A new member, Gianca, because
I missed the moment you picked the. No, that's not ciliegino. That's datterino tomato.
Sorry.
How is it?
I have to try, Gianca. Let me try.
Tasty?
Very sweet, Gianca. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Rosella.
And also, come closer, Gianca.
Oh, there is a small eggplant just over there. No. That's a little bit bigger. Yeah.
Can you see, Gianca?
Yeah, it's a small eggplant, guys. So you have to be patient. But I'm very proud about another thing.
First, come with me, Gianca. I want also to share one onion. To show one onion, you can see the red color. Just here.
Yeah.
I think that in 2 weeks they will be ready to eaten.
But let's show perhaps the more Sicilian vegetable. So guys, I have to be distant to show tall they are. So look at this, guys. And this is not ripened. We have to wait about 2 weeks.
Yes, more or less.
Because it has to be longer. Double that size.
Yeah.
But now, Rosella.
Now it's your turn, because it's your first time, and so I don't want to spoil, yeah.
Stay there. Guys, look at that. Can you see?
Your first.
So this is my feet. It's about 1 foot. 1 foot, guys.
Yes.
I forgot my shears. Let's try.
Try, Gianca, don't worry.
I don't want to destroy the plant. Oh.
Wow.
Let's see. Good or if it's not good, because perhaps I made a mistake. I'm gonna tell you what has happened. Come on, Rosella.
When we open
Oh,
it,
look at that.
we can see. Oh.
We have one already. I think it's good. Guys, very tasty, very sweet. This is datterino. Datterino tomato, a very sweet tomato. Oh, look at that. This is the small zucchini. Can you see it?
Yes. And the blossom.
From father to son. Don't fall, Rosella.
Try to cook it.
Can I show my spices?
Over there?
Yeah. Tieni. So guys, this time I decided to make a good job, and I'm growing some spices. I don't know how can you say. They are particular herbs. So we have red hot chili peppers. They are habaneros, so they are not Sicilian, but it's okay. Then we have oregano. Then we have rosemary, mint. We have thyme. We have sage, salvia. And that's erba cipollina. I don't know in English. So it's a kind of onion. Rosella, please help me. I don't know. I don't know what I'm growing.
Yes, I think it's another. This is erba cipollina, Gianca.
Yeah, but
no,
they are the same plant.
The same?
They are the same plant.
Oh.
This is what I bought, and then it appears in a different plant, but it belongs to the same plant. Guys, as you can see, we are not expert gardeners. We are just travel consultants, and we do our best to grow some vegetables. So,
and to share the beauties of our beloved island with you.
What did you buy?
Celery.
Celery.
This is celery.
Yeah. So, come on.
We go upstairs.
Yeah.
Look at our beautiful
princess. So, she's Ginevra, Gini, our princess, our daughter. Carezzala.
But later I have to wash my hand.
Okay.
Because I'm going to cook.
Go to wash your hand.
Yeah.
In the meantime, I show our friend the other member of the family. And this is Ginepro. So, Ginepro. How are you, Ginepro? So, guys, Ginepro and Ginevra.
Give me also zucchini so I can wash.
They are not related. Actually, Ginepro, the male, the big one, appeared a few days ago in my house, and he was, I just say, so hungry, and it's been eating wherever he can, and he's still angry. So perhaps I don't know in English. It's atavic anger. Of course, we adopt him because it's very, very nice, so kind with us. Rosella.
I wash the zucchini, I wash my hand, and so we are ready to cook, Gianca.
Let's go.
Show also the beautiful view, Gianca.
We made a mistake, guys, because we wanted to be in the light, but sun is almost over the mountain, so we are in shade now in few seconds. Rosella, vuoi dire qualcosa che io ti inquadro? Che ancora abbiamo un po' di sole.
You are beautiful and we love you. This is the most important thing. Look at my beautiful apron, and I'm ready to share with you one recipe. This is not my recipe, of course. This is Maria's recipe, and this is
Who's Maria?
they already know, but Maria is
For those who don't know Maria, for those who don't know what we do in Sicily,
Maria
start
is
from the beginning.
Maria is an authentic housewife, and we are very proud to share with her some cooking classes here in Sicily, in the area of Caccamo.
During our private tours of Sicily, because we are travel agents, we are a DMC, a destination management company. Guys, I'm talking to all the people who don't know what we do, and since there are new followers in the last weeks, we have to explain what we do. So Maria is one of the best cooks in Sicily, an authentic housewife. She cooks in a you don't know, it's unbelievable. You should try in person. You should attend a lesson with her and learn how to cook the best traditional dishes. Rosella, of course, is a pupil. How do you say pupil?
Yes.
Pupil. So it's a student. Sorry
Yeah.
for my English, for my bad English. She tries to learn the most she can from Maria.
And sorry for my cooking mistakes, because as you know, I'm not a cooking an housewife. I'm a travel consultant. I want to say again.
Sorry for the noise. There is an helicopter behind us. I don't know what it's doing. Can I zoom it?
Maybe you can try.
I don't know. Yeah. Perhaps he's involved in some rescue operations, or is just controlling, patrolling the coastline.
Who knows?
Who knows?
So, let's start with this recipe. We call sandy zucchini, and you will understand why. It's a very simple recipe, and you need only 10 minutes of your time to cook. So, let's see how zucchini. Oh, it's so big!
No, please. Before you cut it, let's say something. We are in the shade, so it's better we come this way, Rosella. Come this way. No, not so close. Okay. Oh, so I didn't know how to pick zucchini. So, in my opinion, I'm so ignorant, and I said to myself, okay, let it grow to the end because it was growing and growing and growing. And Rosella suddenly said, Gianca, you're so stupid because if the flour is
Dry, yeah.
is dry, is over, it means that zucchini is ready to be picked. I didn't know. And the risk is that zucchini inside is empty. It's full of seeds.
Yeah.
Right? So we
Finger cross it.
I don't know what's inside. In the wrong situation, we have an alternative. Don't worry. Another small zucchini. But I'm so proud of this. So I'm praying for this.
Let's try. If you want to, Gianca, I can change my position according to the
Sarebbe meglio se
light.
è uguale, sempre in controluce siamo. Vabbè, ma
Or if you want, in this way, I can.
no, è lo stesso, sempre il sole è sempre là, semmai di qua forse. Guys, do you see Rosella or do you have some issues with the light?
Write in the comment.
Write in the comment, give us a feedback please. But let's go. So,
Can I go, Gianca?
Yeah.
This way?
yeah.
Ok.
Sai che posso fare? Posso prendere la luce e ti metto il faro.
Uh-huh.
Così si inquadra.
You can try. Okay. So,
I'm gonna take a lamp, guys.
but in the meantime, we can start talking about the ingredients. So, it's very easy. You need also zucchini, breadcrumbs, grated pecorino cheese, salt, and olive oil. But this is not simple olive oil. It's flavored with mint. You can see here the mint, and at the bottom you can see the garlic. So you need to soak the oil at least 2 hours with the mint and the onion. And the smell is so good. And of course you need a baking tray with a parchment paper. And so we can try to start. There is this helicopter. Please let me check in the comments if you can hear us.
Look at that.
Just now. We are very lucky, Gianca.
Perhaps his work is looking for us. We are wanted.
So they are writing the light is good.
But now it should
Yes,
be
it's here.
better.
Yes, we can see Rosella. Ciao, everybody. A lot of people are watching us. This is Sicily, and this is a live broadcast. And in the meantime, don't forget to share this live broadcast with your friends and invite them to follow us. So, take your zucchini and cut in 4 parts.
I go closer.
And let's check the inside.
I think it's good.
1 week before could be better.
But it's not full of seeds.
A little, but we can take away. Don't worry. Then you can cut again and again in 4 medium-sized stripes. like this, more or less. If you are a good cooker, the aim is to cut in the same sides, of course. But I'm not a good cooker, so.
So the same regular sides.
Sides, yeah.
To have a good frying.
This is the baking tray, Gianca, so you need the oven, not to fry, Gianca.
That's why I'm not expert, guys.
You doesn't cook, that's why. Don't worry, Gianca.
But okay, it's not a frying, but to have a good cooking. If you have the same regular shape, the same regular sides, you have uniform zucchini. Perhaps Ginevro is waiting for the zucchini. Ginevro is always hungry. Always. I told our friend the history of Ginevro, the story of Ginevro.
Of course, I will write in the comments the recipe. But it's very easy. Very, very easy. And today, at lunchtime, I made the peperonata, Gianca.
Yeah.
Do you want to say something? It's
I can only say that it's very tasty. It's one of the masterpieces by Maria that you learn to cook.
Okay. Now you need to clear your olive oil.
So you prepare olive oil with mint?
Yeah.
To soak?
And to soak, yes, at least 2 hours.
Say again, how long?
2 hours at least. So mint and garlic. You can see the garlic at the bottom.
Oh, also garlic, guys.
And so you can have a floured olive oil. And then you need to mix with your hand. Mmm. Then you have this quantity. For example, half glass of
what is this? What is
cheese.
this? Cheese.
Yes.
You don't tell it.
No,
you didn't tell it.
Yes, but you are not here, Gianca.
Okay,
you are looking for the
sorry. Don't beat me. So pecorino cheese.
Yes.
Breadcrumbs.
And breadcrumbs. So half glass of pecorino and 1 glass of breadcrumbs. And you need to mix. Then you can add some salt on your zucchini. Slowly, you have to add also this. The breadcrumbs, mix it with the grated cheese. Not at the same time, you need to add slowly, slowly.
Francis Badalamenti says we are not allowed to travel to Italy from the United States. Yes, this is the last upgrade, but they say that in a couple of weeks you will be allowed to travel to Italy from July 15. Rosella.
Yes, they say this, and we hope, of course.
Because Alitalia, our airline company, will open the route from New York to Rome on July 15.
Of course, September and October should be.
But we are working on 2021, of course.
So if you want to visit Sicily next year, we are ready to plan your trip of a lifetime.
Jerry Genovese, we are coming in October.
And we wait for you, of course.
Yeah, Paulette, New York to Rome, July 15. This is what they say, and we keep our fingers crossed because it's our job, our passion, and we don't want to miss another season to host you, because fall in Sicily is beautiful. September, October are beautiful months to visit Sicily.
Okay, we are ready, Gianca.
Perché si è spenta la luce?
It's very easy.
Aspetta che vada a accendere la luce.
But we have finished, Gianca, here, so we can go downstairs.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because the last step is to bake your baking tray for about 30 minutes at 200 degrees until you will get a crunchy and gold brown zucchini. That's easy, very easy. Even Gianca can cook this dish.
I don't think so. I'm the host of the beginners. Ciao. Sorry for the twist, guys. This is a spiral staircase. Okay, I say something for the friends who don't know where we are. Guys, for those who don't know where we are in the province of Palermo, very, very close to Palermo, in the area of Carini. Carini is very famous for the legend of the Baroness of Carini, for a beautiful castle, and for the Gulf behind me. Sorry for the backlight. I'm trying to show you the Gulf. And for the island of the women, guys, I'm gonna show you directly, that's better. The island of women. Yeah, we are enjoying beautiful days now. I think, in my opinion, June is the best day to explore, to visit Sicily, because we have the longest days, the highest numbers of hours of lights, and that's why, Rosella. That's why we decided to plan our next Sicily Lovers Tour on June 2021. You know, Rosella, for those who don't know, we plan private tours of Sicily all year round. But once a year, we make a promotional tour to promote the best of Sicily to the world. That's called Sicily Lovers Tour. June 10 to 2021.
Do we want to say why it's a promotional tour, Gianca?
It's better we sit. Oh, it's a promotional tour because we put together the best of Sicily in 11 days. Sorry, and
yes,
you will find the best locations to visit, the best authentic Sicilian local people. So you will meet food producers to enjoy excellent food tastings every day. You will have excellent meals. Almost all the lunches and dinners are included in the tour. What else, Rosella?
And for us, it's like a feast, no?
Yeah.
And so the price is very
competitive. It's the best value for your money. So if you want to put together the same trip, the same private tour of Sicily, of course, will be very, very expensive, more expensive. So if you want to join this tour, you can visit our website.
Let me show our website.
Okay.
So they can easily find our Sicily Lovers Tour. Here. Okay. So this is our new website.
Who's that girl?
Can you recognize the girl, Gianca?
I recognize that girl, but people don't know who's that girl because they only see the back of the girl.
Of course, this is Rosella.
This is Rosella? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow.
Many years ago.
Who made the picture?
Maybe Gianca? I don't remember. I can say Gianca.
Where is the location?
I think
Terracini, Calarossa, one of the best places in the world, guys.
And as you know, we help you experience the best things to do in Sicily.
So
our website is named bestthingsToDoInSicily.com.
Yeah.
And this is the home page, and then you can navigate here. You can choose between custom private tours, Sicilian ancestry tours, and here you can find the Sicily Lovers Tour right here to enjoy a memorable tour of Sicily. And you can find here all the information. Why should you join our tour of Sicily? And here there is the video that show you
it's a summary.
A review of your tour. Yes.
Just like a summary.
Here there is a list of the key elements of this Sicily vacation package. And at the end, you can download the tour. So you can click the button below to download the complete tour schedule. And this PDF is a very long PDF because it's about 39 pages,
yeah.
Right, Gianca?
So if you have time, you can study Sicily in advance.
Yeah. And of course you need to fill out the form to book your wonderful tour of Sicily.
But let me say something, because of course this is a beautiful tour. Mm-hmm. This is the result of our efforts. But if they want to make a private tour of Sicily,
it's very easy.
What they expect? So it's something different. It's something lower quality.
No, of course.
We
offer only the high quality as possible.
So there is no difference.
Yeah.
So you can decide to join a group tour and share this experience with other beautiful people.
Yes, other Sicily lovers like you.
Or you can come to Sicily with your family and enjoy and experience a private tour. So
Yes.
the essence is not different.
No.
Because
No.
the best of Sicily is waiting for you.
But only if you want to enjoy a dream vacation. If you don't want to enjoy a dream vacation, you can skip.
Yeah.
And what about this page, Sicily Private Tour? The same layout, but here you can.
That's great.
choose.
So this is very important
Yeah.
for those who don't know Sicily
Yeah.
and want to have a preview of Sicily.
And the best experience is to enjoy in Sicily as well.
So if you don't want to study,
Yeah.
you have a summary
Yeah.
of the best possibilities.
Yeah.
So we have how many elements?
I
About
think
20.
20 elements, and it's very easy because if you click here, read more, there is a pop-up that you can read with all the information and all our travel tips.
So what to do, where
What
to
to-
stay, what to
Yes.
eat.
What to eat? Yes.
If, for example, that location is considered an home base, a possible home base, because we used to recommend you where to stay in Sicily, not only what to do. So, for example, Syracuse is not only a beautiful location, it's also a great place where to stay in Sicily.
Yeah. And our webmaster, are working.
We have to thank someday, because
Yes.
we always forget to thank
our webmaster Francesco.
Francesco Di Marzo, our best friend and also our webmaster. Thank you, Francesco, for doing it. I think it's a great job.
Yeah, and we are waiting for him just to finish the last part, add to trip. Do you want to say how this page works, Gianca?
Yeah.
Because here you can create your custom private tour of Sicily because you can select what you want to see and the experience that you want to enjoy in Sicily, and at the end you will have a summary of the experience that you have chosen to enjoy in Sicily, because you are the owner of your trip. Then you can fill out the form and Gianca will reply you with a draft of your tour for your approval and for your feedback, but we are all the time in touching.
I think
Touching?
we keep touch.
Keep in
we
touch.
we cooperate because it's your tour, of
Yeah.
course, but we give you our best recommendation to enjoy Sicily in the most beautiful way possible. So
We can say that it's an interactive page because you will build your tour. This is important.
So guys,
for us.
you have just to say, I want to do this, and this. You select this, and this. You say, I want to spend, for example, 10 nights or 2 weeks in Sicily, and we do the rest.
Yes.
And we
will put together a vacation package
Yeah.
for you. And
So-
of course you can check our review here. And another important thing, Gianca, if you have questions, feel free to ask.
Oh,
Because,
this is another.
yes.
This is a new.
Yes.
Something new for us. Now we are also on WhatsApp, so you can
Type to Gianca.
you can type me. You can, of course, you can talk to me. Not only type.
Yes, you
We are able to call people
Yeah.
in United States because we have free calls to United States. Also
Canada.
to Canada and Australia.
Yeah.
And of course, European countries.
Yeah.
So it's not a problem, it's not an issue for us to communicate to you.
Yeah. And here you can find our reviews, our video reviews, our reviews on TripAdvisor, and also the best reviews we have collected here you can
in the last
years.
in the last years.
Yes.
Would you like to say something about our newsletter?
Yes. So you need to click here, resources.
So
newsletter.
from the beginning, what's the meaning of a newsletter? What's the important?
Yeah.
Why we made a newsletter?
To receive an alert when we go live on Facebook. So we are collecting your email addresses and we will send you an email to alert you when we go live.
So not, I would say, promotional matters, not to disturb you, but to invite you to enjoy our live broadcast in advance.
Yeah.
Because many people always say, guys, I missed your last live broadcast.
Yeah.
How can I do? And so we have two possibilities. The first is to subscribe our newsletter. The second, it's very easy.
Yeah, let me say only one thing.
Yeah?
You can unsubscribe anytime and your privacy is important to us. You will never give or sell your information to a third part.
Yeah.
This is important. And okay, we can go on YouTube.
Yeah, so the second way to enjoy our live broadcast
So this
is to subscribe our YouTube channel. A lot of people said, "How can I subscribe your channel? Because I don't find the button, the possibility." So Rosella, please.
So our YouTube channel is named Round Trip Consulting Events and Tourism in Sicily.
That's the name of our company.
Yes, and it's very easy because here you can click the button subscribe.
So that's the button, subscribe, and you can see, you can watch all our live broadcasts. Of course, they are not live anymore.
Yeah.
But if you miss on Facebook, you are able to watch it in the easiest way.
Yeah.
Then we have the playlist. Would you like to say something about our playlist? We are working on organizing our job on YouTube as well. So we have the best videos.
Yes.
The best videos are the videos with the highest quality.
Yeah.
So where is?
Here.
Okay, so you can find, how do you say?
The best videos about Sicily, but recorded in high quality.
So full definition videos and also 4K videos, such as the RG Musco that I'm working to.
Yeah. Then we have, as you know, stories of proud Sicilians around the world.
Oh, this is dedicated to all the people with a Sicilian origin.
Yes. Then we have best Sicilian food recipes, culture and heritage.
This is dedicated to Maria, to my mom, to Rosella as well when she cooks, when you cook.
For example, this live broadcast will be
included
in
there.
In this playlist.
And then we have
Tales of Sicily.
So, Tales of Sicily. What's Tales of Sicily? Tales of Sicily is a series of different episodes. We started with Eleonora, a local guide from Modica. Now we are going on. So we are including the best locations, the best stories to tell.
Yes.
For example, we went to Montalbano Licona.
You can see here. Tales of Sicily, Montalbano Licona.
Oh, look at this.
And you can, we just upload a few minutes ago, and you can see again the live broadcast from Montalbano Licona, and we are going to upload other live broadcasts.
That's good.
And it's not the end, Gianca, because I want also to say an important thing. Look at these, guys!
Oh!
Thank you!
Why? Wait. So it's 11,000 likes. And how many followers?
I can see.
Because
here.
I go crazy. So Facebook makes a difference between likes and followers.
Here, Gianca.
Look at that, guys. 13,000 people follow us. Thank you, guys. I have to switch it.
This is a big family.
I have to switch it. This way.
We love you.
Guys, thank you so much. This is the best thing you can do for us, because it's infectious. Your love is infectious, more than any virus. So it's the reason why we go on. We go ahead. If we had no love, if we have no followers, we will be nothing. Nothing without you. So thank you for following us. Thank you for watching us. We hope you receive a little of our passion for Sicily.
Our love,
of course. You say, I don't say it. You say energy, and so we try to bring a little bit of positive emotions in your life, and that's the most important thing. Want to say something more?
yes. Another thing about Facebook. So if you go on our Facebook page, here you can find our videos.
Okay, this is very important.
And here,
So we have videos and live. So I'm ignorant, I'm a newbie. Which is the difference between videos and live?
So videos are recorded in a different time. No, this is not live.
Okay.
Live. In this section, you can find all the live broadcasts that we have made.
So it could be the reason why some people don't find our live broadcast, because they look for the live broadcast in the sections videos. So in the wrong section.
And it could be another. This could be another reason. This one, Gianca. You need to like the page, and also you need to click following. First.
So this is important. Say it again, please.
So before you have to like the page, and then you have to click here.
Following,
and you have to be sure that in the first option in your news feed you have selected see first, and in the other section of notifications you had to
turn it on. The highlight post.
Yeah.
So
I
guys,
think that now is enough. They can find our live broadcasts.
Ok. Abbiamo finito?
Sì, vuoi fare a bere il bicchiere con cappello?
Potremmo escere? Ora parliamo siciliano, antichetta.
Una maghire ora. Ora, ma vi ricordate siamo contro luci,
Picciotti,
però.
venite con me.
Aspetta che ti inquadro io. Fammi inquadrare antichia mia, che io sono voglio perdere.
Casugno timido. Sugno timido. I'm shy, guys. I'm very shy. So it's a pity. We have no good backlight behind me. Where are you, Rosella?
Here.
So from the beginning, I decided to have a new look, but I'm not so happy
with the result.
With the result, so
I know why. Because
this is why I have this cap.
Guys, you have to know that this time Gianca did it, not me. That's the reason why Gianca is not so happy about the result.
I did it on my own.
Yeah.
I did it by myself.
Yeah.
And of course the result is no good. But
e ora chi bori mia, ora ti pigli conseguenze di chi duca con me.
I was envious, invidioso of Frank Ragusa. Frank Ragusa is a very, very nice guy with a big head. He says, I have no hair, and I was envious. So I said, okay, Frank, I will do the same, just like you, just to be like you. And guys, this is the result.
Can I do Gianca for you?
Are you ready?
Whoopee!
Just like a ball, guys.
But I like Gianca. It's very like an anti-stress. How can I say?
You can play bowling. But in a few days they will be long again.
Yes,
So I'm not
don't worry.
I'm not too worried. I'm not so I just say vanitoso. I don't like to follow my image. I don't have to be a model, so I don't have to be an actor. The most important thing is the health, guys. So I thank God I'm alive. I'm okay. I don't mind about this new look, but it's okay. So look at that, guys. I'm so stupid. I'm very sorry, but I'm very lucky because it's the time to return to normality. We are now working to other tours of Sicily. Our borders to European countries are opened again.
Yeah.
We look forward to host the American, the Canadian, the Australian friends, of course, because in a few days, from July 15, you should be able to visit Italy.
Finger crossed.
And so that's the most important thing. I don't mind my hair. I don't mind anything else. We miss the only thing I really miss is the
possibility to ask our clients
Yeah.
and to spend beautiful moments with our clients.
Yeah.
That's the reason why sometimes our
Oh, look at that.
humor.
Fran Finazzo says July 15 is my birthday.
Oh,
so
you can celebrate maybe
it has to be a wonderful day. So not a casual day. And we wish you happy birthday in advance from now. So,
Happy birthday.
from the Gulf of Carini, from Sicily, it's all.
Yeah.
Want to add something?
I already told you, but I want to say again, thank you for your love, thank you for your messages, and because if we are still alive in our soul, it's for you guys,
Yeah.
because you have recharged our souls during this crazy period of our life. Because
You gave us the energy.
yes, because we lost everything. Our business is
Completely destroyed.
yeah. And so-
We used to say we had a sabbatic year, un anno sabbatico, but
We call zero.
a year of break, a year of stop. But
But
we
are
are
working.
ready. We are ready to run faster than before, and
Yeah.
with more enthusiasm, with more happiness.
I'm ready.
So, if you want to help us, please subscribe our YouTube channel, because the only fear I have only one fear. We have 13,000 beautiful friends right now on Facebook, but we are dependent from Facebook. So, if for any reason Facebook should close, or I don't know, Mr. Zuckerberg will be arrested, I don't know. It's just like a stupid hypothesis, I don't know. But for any reason, we should have the possibility to reach you, all of you, in other ways. So that's why we are open. We have created a newsletter, and that's why we would like to invite you on our YouTube channel, so to be independent from Facebook.
Yeah.
And because on Facebook we have a very low quality of our videos. We don't know why. On YouTube we are able to upload 4K videos, not on Facebook. So on YouTube, I'm going to upload my drone videos,
Yeah.
my best videos, and it's your opportunity to watch the best of Sicily, the best footages, the best images. Another reason.
Thank you again. We love you. And for today is enough. I have my zucchini in the oven and I need to check them. Alternatively, Gianca could have dinner tonight.
Yes, yeah. But I will wait for this masterpiece from by Maria, adapted by Rosella.
I'm not sure about the result, but I have to try to. I have to say that the try is better than stay fermo.
If
Say stop. How can I
yeah, better to do something than to wait for
say? Perfection.
the perfect moment to do something. So it's a good philosophy. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao.